Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in and welcome to my bathroom. Today, if you can't tell, I've got a little sickness going on, so I want to keep it short and sweet. And so, what I wanted to do today was share with you a brand new mask that I just got in yesterday. So, I haven't even used it yet, so I wanted to do that for you here today so you can get my full review of it, and first impressions. So, it is a hydration mask. Now, I've never tried any sort of hydration mask personally, so if you have ever tried a hydration mask, please let me know. Drop a 1 below if you've tried one before, because I'd be curious to know about it. Since I've never tried one, I'm not 100% sure what to expect, other than what I do know is that these should really pack the hydration into your skin, and of course not leave you feeling dry at all, right? Because it's meant to hydrate your skin. So this particular one, as you can see, is a really pretty blue color. And one of the kind of, I don't want to say secret ingredients, but key ingredients to it is a milk protein. And that is designed to really hydrate your skin. So what you do is you cleanse your skin. I've already done that. I just showered. And then what you want to do is just apply it everywhere. Now, I like to use this applicator because it just keeps it off of my fingers personally. It's really, really cool. It makes you feel like, you're like really having like a home spa treatment, and it's neat because it makes you just feel a little more fancy, right? Having this little applicator. Plus, it really does help smooth this on really, really easy. So, right now, I don't notice anything, different, I would say, than a regular mask. It just feels kind of cool to the touch and kind of like a clayish kind of a feel to it. So nothing too out of the ordinary right now. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and get this all on my face here so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then what you do is you actually let it set for 10 minutes. Now, I'm not going to make you sit here and look at me for 10 minutes while this is setting. So what I'll do is I'll pause it and then I'll come back to you guys after 10 minutes and remove it and give you guys my review. But I like the way that it feels. Like I said, it's got kind of a cooling feel to it to me. It's not warm. It's not like activated in any sort of way, is I guess what I would say. For example, like the detox mask that I use, that activates once it's on your skin. It starts getting fizzy, and that's really, really cool. So this really just kind of feels like it's just setting on your skin and feels really soft and smooth. So I'm really, really excited for this. So as you can see, I'm not using much at all because this stuff spreads really, really well. You don't need to use a lot at all. So I'm really like putting just a tiny bit on there and then spreading it as needed. And what's really cool too about this applicator is it saves it from getting on your fingers, so you're not spreading any oils or anything that are on your fingers onto your face. But the other thing that's really cool about this is that this is just a solid piece. It's not like bristles, so it's super, super easy to clean. So I'll go ahead and pause and come back to you guys here in about 10 minutes. All right, so I'm back. In the meantime, I've made some hot tea here. And as a side note, if you ever have a sore throat, get yourself, it's called Throat Coat, and it's by Traditional Medicinals. Most grocery stores, Walmart, Walgreens, carry it usually on the top shelf. It's an organic tea. They have several different remedies. So they've got stuff for lungs and whatnot. But the throat coat stuff, it tastes a little strange just because of the different spices that they use in it. But let me tell you, it makes a big difference. This stuff is amazing. And this mug is from my parents for Christmas. It says, I'll have a cafe mocha vodka latte, or I'll have a cafe mocha vodka Valium latte to go, please. I love it. Okay. So what I noticed about the mask, it does dry a little bit as you go. Nothing weird or anything. You'll just feel it tighten up a little bit. But as you can see, you can touch it. There's a little bit more in that spot, but for the most part, it's not going to come off. So when you're ready to take it off, all you need is a washcloth with warm water on it. And then you can just simply take it off. So I just kind of want to see how easy this goes. I'm not pushing hard at all, just gently wiping over it. And it comes off pretty darn easy. And you can see, I don't know, maybe that's some of the milk proteins, but it almost feels like as you're rubbing it, it almost feels like soapy, like it's really, really soft on your face. So I think what I'll do is I'll get most of it off here, and then I'll rinse, and then I'll go back over and get the rest of this off. But see, as you can see, it kind of changes a little bit on your face as the water is kind of mixing with it to remove it. So it goes from being that, blue and dry to being like soft and milky, which is kind of cool because you can really feel all that hydration in there. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let me rinse this off. It rinses out of the washcloth real easy. It's kind of a bluish gray color, I guess is what you'd expect. So it kind of helps you be able to figure out if you've gotten all of it out. Okay, let's do this again. Oh yeah, this comes off super easy. So once you've kind of done that initial wipe down and gotten it off your face, then the rest comes off. It's just super easy. It's just wipes right off. I'm just going to take that little bit of residue over my eyelids. As you notice, I didn't actually apply the mask on my eyelids. Okay, now pat dry. I recommend patting dry versus wiping dry. It's just more gentle on your face. But I can tell already that my face feels like, just before I even touch my face itself just feels like it has a ton of moisturizer in it, or like cream sitting on it. Like it feels really, like my face doesn't feel tight at all. It feels very nourished. So let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels really nice. So my face then it feels like a baby's butt. It feels really, really soft. So I am super impressed with this hydration mask. I think it's awesome. And obviously very clearly easy to use. So if you've got questions about it, let me know. Happy to answer them for you. Bye.